Hi, I'm doing a review of my new Predator 4.5 millimeter unboxing video. So let's get started. It shoots about 900 feet per second. So yeah. So when you open the box, you get the polystyrene cover. Okay, I'll just put that away. Okay, so here's the manual. It just shows you the speed of the gun and everything. Yeah. Then you put the magazine and the thing to pump it up. And go. Thanks for watching.